Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix Snapchat device ban. So if you encounter this notification, I'm going to show you how to simply fix this by just following this method. So first, you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Snapchat. And what you're going to do here is to simply update your Snapchat. You have to make sure that you're using the latest version or the updated version of your Snapchat application. So once done, you can now open and see if the problem fixed. Now, if not, then you have to proceed with the next method, and that is to simply long press the Snapchat application, click this app info, and what you're going to do here is to tap this force stop, and then after that, click the storage usage, and then click clear cache, and then see if this method work. If not, then what you're going to do here is to simply go to your phone settings, and then you have to locate or look for date and setting. Now what you're going to do here is to just simply change your region. So it will change the time also, but it won't take any longer after you change your region right here and time. Then you have to go back to your main region. So as you can see, you just have to turn this one off and then search for that specific region or country to change your time. Just maybe a few minutes or seconds, everything is up to you. Look for the city or region right here. And then after the tap, and it will change the time also. And then after that, go back to your main region again. And then go to Snapchat and see if this Snapchat device ban is already gone or is already fixed. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.